In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order details on the Eddie Bauer website. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new jacket or just keeping tabs on an exciting purchase, this guide will make sure you stay in the loop with your order status. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer to use regularly. Once your browser is up and running, head on over to the Eddie Bauer website by typing www.eddiebauer.com into the address bar and hitting enter. You'll land on Eddie Bauer's homepage where the adventure begins. Next, it's time to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the sign in option waiting for you. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password that you used to set up your Eddie Bauer account. If you've saved your login details in your browser, it might autofill for you, removing any hassle. Just make sure the details are up to date and accurate, then click the sign in button to proceed. Once you've successfully signed in, your personal corner of Eddie Bauer's website opens up. At the top right, you should see your account name or perhaps an icon representing your account. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From these options, select My Account. This is your hub where all your account details and settings are located, so feel free to explore it if you're curious. But for now, let's stay on track. In the My Account section, you'll find several options that offer different functionalities for personal data management. What we're interested in right now is your order history, so go ahead and click on Order History, or it might be labeled as My Orders. Either option will do the trick. This is your personal timeline of Eddie Bauer shopping. Inside the Orders section, you'll find a list displaying all your past and current orders. It's a comprehensive view that not only shows what you've bought, but can also indicate the current status of each order, like whether it's being processed, shipped, or delivered. Click on any specific order if you wish to dive deeper into the details. This can give you insights into shipping information, payment status, or even return details if they apply. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've navigated your way through to see the details of your Eddie Bauer orders. It's a straightforward process that ensures you're always informed about what's happening with your purchases. Enjoy your adventures with Eddie Bauer, and see you next time for more helpful tips. Stay savvy.